Hello friends, welcome to NIF, and here we are back again with the mass session of the JEE Mains 2021, and here we will be discussing about the paper analysis cutoff, and we will be talking about the safe scores for NIT. So moving on further, talking about the physics, the difficulty level of physics was easy to moderate level. The chapters with maximum weightage were mechanics, which was 25%, electrodynamics 20%, modern physics plus optics consisted of 15%, and moving on to the safe scores, that is 55 out of 100. For the chemistry, difficulty level was easy to moderate. Chapters with maximum weightage were 12th organic chapters, that is as usual, like last time also in February session, 20% of the weightage, and 11th physical chapters 15%, 12th inorganic 20%. So overall, when we will see as compared to 11th, 12th was more. Safe score is 60 out of 100, and it was completely for the NCERT based questions. For maths, the difficulty level was moderate, but bit lengthy paper was there. Chapters that contained the maximum weightage were JEE Mains specific portions 15%, algebra 25%, conics 25%. For safe scores, that is 40 out of 100. So here you will be discussing that what is JEE Mains specific portion. The chapters like at the last, which we usually leave them, that is the statics portion, or the questions related to tautology, and all those questions are very important. So like at the last time, you must watch them and go through those questions, so because they are must asked, and majorly 2 to 3 questions from last topics are majorly asked from 3D vectors and all, so you should focus on. For the safe score, it's 40. So talking about the overall review of the paper, the level of paper was easy to moderate, and the safe score is 160 out of 300. So it means that you are securing 160, then you can focus on to the advanced rather than wasting your time in mains. The expected cutoff category wise is for general it's 100, and NIT score is 140. NIT scores means if you are securing 140 in general category, then you can get at least an NIT, maybe with lower branches, but you will get. And similarly for EWS 90 130, OBC 85 125, SC 65 90, ST 55 70. So at last, all the best to all the upcoming shifts, and thank you guys for watching this video. So all the best for all your upcoming shifts, and thank you. And don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. We will be updated with all the things like JEE Mains, and we will be discussing a lot on this. We will be providing you cutoffs also, so it will be released soon, so be with us. Thank you.